Well, there's a lot of things I'm watching, Simone. We've got from the tropics to heat. We're all over the place. We've got a lot to talk about. First of all, Canyon Lake. Boy, what a rally Canyon Lake has been on. Of course, there's been a lot of rainfall, but Canyon Lake, the last I looked, was at 99.2, but 99.8% full. At this time last year was 67.8. Matter of fact, I think it was just a couple of months ago that Canyon was in the 65 percentile or something like that. So big jump. Medina Lake, 27% full. And Medina Lake, when Medina Lake is full, it's one of the prettiest lakes in Texas and maybe even part of the large part of the country. It's just a beautiful lake. So I'm glad to see that is coming up. Travis is at 100%. Choke Canyon still has a long way to go. We still have some flood warnings. Frio River and also the Nueces River way down to the south there. Dimmitt County and also LaSalle counties and McMullen counties still have flood warnings from all that rainfall that fell primarily here running downstream. All right, so those rivers will subside, but we still have warnings there. Clear skies, temperature right now 87 degrees. Low this morning was 74. Record high 102. And that record high is from a long time ago. And have you noticed a lot of these record highs in the summer are from a long time ago? 1911, we hit 102. We're not going to break a record, but it is going to be a hot day today. High temperatures in the upper 90s, 98, and the heat index should be around 103. If you've got anything planned this evening, I don't think we'll be below 90, maybe after 10 o'clock, but at 10 o'clock we'll still be right around 90 degrees. 87 is the current temperature. Kerrville is at 90. Gonzales 91. Now let's take a look at the humidity and what it feels like. Already feels like 96, feels like 98 at Gonzales, and 103 is what it feels like at Port Lavaca right now. Okay, so here's the pattern of what's going on. Of course, we're all watching Tropical Storm Bertha, 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm. We've got a high to the east, we've got a high to the west. It's kind of trapped between the two, so it hasn't moved much over the last couple of days. Eventually, this high is going to win out, and it is going to go westbound. So here's what's happening. It's going to move to the north, spreading in tropical storm force winds, but it's a very lopsided system, already feeling shear. But here's what I think is going to happen. So it's a 60-mile-per-hour tropical storm. We'll start to feel that high to the north. We'll move westbound, and then by Thursday, will be a tropical storm over Louisiana, and then the interaction with the shear and the landmass will cause it to just rip apart. And by the time it gets to Texas on Friday, should be just remnants. Now, there is a slight chance that it could take the little southern track, and then things would be completely different, but that is a remote possibility. All right, high temperatures today, upper 90s, maybe a few high clouds out there. Molds are light. Elm is moderate. Next couple of days, it's going to be hot. High tomorrow, 100 with the heat index of 106. I've got an impact day, and Thursday may have to be an impact day as well over the weekend. Upper 90s. Next week, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and upper 90s. Going to finish out July hot.